Hi everyone, welcome to Aurora Hotels. This is the monthly forecast for October 2021. You can look this up for Sun, Moon, and Rising sign. This is a general reading, so to book your personal reading, please find my details in the description section below. I would also be taking out the annual horoscope for 2022, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you're notified as soon as I upload these videos. So let's get started with October. In this reading, we would get to know what is the energy looking like for you this month, what you need to avoid this month, what is new, and we would also touch upon various aspects, which is home, work, and your relationships and love life. So let's see what's the energy for this month. We have Page of Swords, Eight of Wands, and these two oracle cards, Mirror and Answer the Call. With Eight of Wands over here, things would move really fast. I feel you may be rushing into something but not really able to reach your goal. Since we do have a Page of Swords energy, there could be a lot in your mind, and you would be in situations wherein you will have to think on your feet. Since we do have a Temperance and a Justice over here, you would be required to be fair in all your dealings. There could be some kind of gossip or news coming your way. It could even mean someone is gossiping about you and it may just fly into your ears. Someone or group of people surely is keeping a tab on you or watching you. I also feel that they are looking for the right time to approach you. These two cards are literally connecting the thread for this entire reading. Someone may be trying to reach you for an important discussion. We do have a Two of Swords over here, so you may be finding yourself in a difficult situation or a position wherein you are not really able to make a decision. So, this card is trying to tell you to take a call or take a decision. Since it's going to be a choppy month, keep the experiences of people who you aspire close to you, because you may need to look up to them to get ideas, or you may reach them to get some kind of a guidance. It could also mean that people may look up to you as a role model, so you may need to act in a certain way wherein you could lead them. Let's move to what you need to avoid this month. We have a Temperance. For clarity, I have taken out a Justice and this Oracle card over here, which is Blessed. With Temperance card in this position, it means that you are going too fast and too far, and you're taking way too many risks. So you need to slow down and take a break. You may be looking for instant gratification instead of looking at the bigger picture. You may be living for today and forgetting about tomorrow, but this sense of recklessness may create more problems for you rather than solving them. Just be cautious of legal matters. You may be required to take a side in some important legal matter or some important decision. Avoid any kind of inappropriate behavior or inappropriate action, since imbalances of all kinds are indicated over here. Just be cautious of whether the time is right for you to act in a certain way, as poor timing is suggested with the set of cards. This card is more of blessing in disguise. So you would be somehow, somewhere helped, and you would be able to eventually balance the situation that you are in. So be cautious, though even the help may arrive, but just be cautious of your own actions. Let's move to what's new coming this month, and we have Three of Pentacles, Five of Wands, Nine of Cups, and this oracle card, Happy Happy. There could be some fight coming to an end. This could be at work or at home. This could even mean a legal battle that you may have been fighting. So the trial would come out in your favor. Let's move to home front. We have Ten of Cups, Eight of Swords, King of Wands, Five of Pentacles, and I'm taking out one more card for clarity for this, which is Seven of Cups. So at home front, you may be feeling a bit stifled, or it could be some male member who could be of Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius sign who may be feeling very uncomfortable, who may be feeling very suggestively suffocated, and maybe you would need to talk matters out. Someone or something in their life is driving them crazy and bringing out the worst in them. So it's very important for you to listen to them, let them express what are they dealing with at this point of time, and talk matters out. There is some kind of a surprise coming up, or I would say there are some deception cards, so be careful. So it could be that you have been kept in dark, or with Seven of Cups, it could be that you could have been given a very different picture, or someone has promised way too many things but delivered nothing. With Five of Pentacles over here, it could be something related to your finances. With Five of Pentacles and Seven of Cups, be cautious of any kind of investments made during this month, as chances are you may be duped. And this is where this blessing in disguise would really help you. You may discover the truth at the right time before much damage is done. Also, you may be able to mend old relationships which have been estranged or wherein you have kind of drifted apart. Whatever the situation may be, you will be at the right place at the right time. Let's move to work. We have Sun reversed, Hermit, Two of Swords reversed. With Sun reversed and Two of Swords reversed, you may find it extremely tough to make decisions. There is definitely a block of vision and foresight. With Sun reversed, your success is getting blocked. And with Two of Swords reversed, it could mean success is being blocked due to reaching wrong conclusions and having a bad reasoning or a poor logic. Things are frustrating and are unclear at this point of time to you. With these binding cards over here, which is Eight of Swords, Two of Swords, you might be afraid of new beginnings. You may be acting a bit complacent or being apprehensive of put into spotlight. So you may be feeling more comfortable walking behind somebody, or you may feel more comfortable being in shadow of somebody. You are not able to realize your own potential and you are not able to move ahead with confidence. So you need to stop being so negative and pessimistic. If I look at this Two of Swords in the other way, when Two of Swords reverses, you either tear the blindfold off or it is ripped off by someone else to reveal the truth of the situation. There is no way getting away from facts, as they would eventually be exposed. So, whether you would like to be in denial or whether you would be forced to look at a situation, either way, the facts and the truth will come out, and you would be required to make a certain decision. Like I said, there is an important decision coming up for you. However, once this blindfold is taken off, you may see your so called friends in a new light, or you may even feel shocked by what you discover. However painful it is, it would be for your own good. For some, it could even mean that there is a real potential here to put an end to an age old argument between friends or family. Swords are laid aside and hearts are being open to the possibility of forgiveness. If you get a new job offer, some of you may be finding it hard to decide, Or you may get 2 job offers, but you may not be able to choose between the two. Let's move to the love front. We have Hangman, Six of Wands, Four of Swords, Empress reversed, and Seven of Swords. With Hangman and Six of Wands, I surely see some kind of ego issues or power struggles cropping up. You have reached a point where none of you are ready to budge or agree on to something. With Temperance here, you will have to come to a midpoint and resolve the matter. Else, this matter is not really getting closed that soon and you would not be able to really move forward. Also, with Four of Swords in this situation, it's going to get extremely exhausting for you to keep up the fight. So, it's best to kiss and make up. Some of you recently had a nasty breakup, and you may probably have felt that the commitment is not coming through and your relationship was going in a limbo. Some of you may have felt neglected in the relationship, or the person dumped you or cheated on you. Since Empress is also reversed, you really aren't taking good care of yourself. So you are stuck up in your past and you are probably just falling in for someone who gives you very little attention. Surely you are finding love in all wrong places. It's time for you to take a hold of yourself and take a step back on what would be your deal breakers if you are in a relationship, and don't fall into something just for the heck of it. Go for a pampering session at a spa or join an activity which helps you nurture and heal you from inside. Get your confidence back so that you can make right choices for yourself. So, if I really have to sum up this whole reading and the pointers for you to take back for this month, I would say don't rush, use your logic. You may get an opportunity to end some age old fight. Be cautious of judiciary matters. You will catch lies or some kind of deception, which may surprise you, but nevertheless, it's going to sort some situation out. Lastly, get out of emotions, situations, feelings, or people who are binding you. Talk matters out, don't keep things in a limbo for a longer time, and move forward. Last but not the least, it's a great month to nurture yourself. So take up a hobby, go to the spa, take that fitness regime, and pamper yourself. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Please also share your feedback on how you're liking these videos so that I can make it a better experience for all of you out there. Thank you. Much love.